In this video, we are going to break down a layout of Twitter into components. This will help us think in a way of how we can create components when we are using React. Because in React, every application is built using components. You compose multiple components together to create a whole layout like this. So let's go ahead and start working on it. So here I am using a tool named Sketchpad.pro. And the first thing when I look at this layout, what I see on the top level is it has three sections. One is aside, this one is main, and this one is a sidebar. Or you can call it left sidebar and right sidebar. But that is how you should always start. Start with what are the major component it can have. So this is a three section. So I'll go ahead and create three sections here. So this is one. Then we are going to have another one that is going to be this section. And then we are going to have the last one. So in this way, we broke down this layout into three major components. Now, let's go ahead and name these components. The first one is going to be a side component. This one, we are going to name them main component. And this one will be sidebar. So after naming all these components, let's go inside each individual components now. So here, this aside component can also be broken down into two different pieces. And for that, I'm just going to change the color to something like green. This is one section that contains the navigation, and there is another section that can contain the information of the user. Similarly, this main section can again be broken down into small components. This component is tweet input. Then we are going to have tweet list. Again, this section we can have a component named search, and here we can have a component named what's happening, and again we have who to follow. So now if you take a look at it, the major layout is broken down into a side, main, sidebar. So now let's go ahead and name these components. So this is the first one. We can call it navigation, or you can also call it menu. But moving on to this, we can call it user info. Similarly here, tweet input, and this component can be tweet list. And here, this can be search component. This can be what's happening, and this component can be who to follow. So in this way, what we have done now is we have broken down this layout into small components. So we have aside, main, sidebar. Aside can again be broken down into navigation and user info, and main can be broken down into tweet input and tweet list. Sidebar can be broken down into search, what's happening, and who to follow. And not only this, on top of this, you can again keep breaking it down into small components like here. So for us, what we can do now is we can just break down this tweet list into small component, and that will be one individual tweet. So I can be like, okay, this is another component, and this is going to be something like a tweet component. So this is an individual tweet that we have to display. So you can keep doing that again and again. You can do the same thing here, you can do the same thing here, and in the navigation. The important thing to understand here is always start from the top, break it down into major pieces, and then that major piece can again be broken down into things like navigation, user info, tweet list, tweet input, search, what's happening, and who to follow. And the more complex your application is becoming, you can keep breaking down your application into small pieces. You can compose them all together. Like here, we are composing user info, navigation, tweet input, tweet list, tweet, who to follow, what's happening, search. And when we compose all of them, this is the whole layout that comes together. And this is how you break down your component into small pieces. Always start from top. Look at the major pieces. Then break down those individual pieces like aside, main, sidebar into small pieces. Then go down again. Break navigation into small pieces. Maybe in future you will have to break that into another pieces. But that generally doesn't happen. So in this way, we completed this exercise.